Mr. Chris, what are you doing? Please, don't do this.
What the hell? Please stop it.
Don't do this. Don't do this. Please. No, don't touch me, Mr. Chris. What happened here? Mr. Chris. He tried to force himself on me. Call somebody for help. Hurry up.
Okay. What's the point of this?
Don't worry. You will find out soon. Just enjoy the show.
I'm sick of this. Just get out of my office. You are crazy. How dare you to slap me? Why are you doing this?
Oh my God. Thank God you're here. Please save me from this monster.
What happened?
I don't know. Everything was fine at first. We were discussing work, and then he started to hit on me.
No. That's a lie. Quite. Maria, go on.
When I was refused, he was trying to undress and touch me.
Is that true? No. She is lying.
Yes, he said, if I wanted to keep my job, I had to do everything, he said.
Every word of that is a lie. And I didn't even touch her. Are you sure? But you drenched in her perfume. I could smell it from here, a mile away. Yeah, sure. She sprayed it on me on purpose. Yeah, right. Very convincing. Boss, I am begging you, just check the security cameras and you will see the truth away. I will do that. It's so blurry, I can't see a thing. Somebody put gum on the camera lens.
Somebody? Who here would try to hide what they were doing?
No. Enough. I have heard enough. Listen, you have got until the end of the day to get your stuff together and get out of here. There is no place for dishonest like you in my office. I'm surprised you are not afraid to be alone with me after everything that happened today.
Sir, I have known you for a long time. You have always been kind and decent. I'm sure you didn't do anything wrong.
Unfortunately, you are the only one who believes me.
Excuse me.
Are you here to cause more trouble?
Not exactly. I am here to check out my future office.
Your future office?
Yes, after your fall from grace, someone has taken your position. And guess who that would be?
Alright, I get it. A promotion. Wow. I didn't know you were such a mean snake.
Oh. Don't take it personal. Just business. And good luck finding a new job.
Julia, sorry? Can I ask you for one last favor?
May I take out the trash? Oh, yeah, you may. Hey, careful. How could you throw the trash here? Oh, I am sorry, it just accidentally happened. I will clean everything up right away. Can I ask you a question? Don't you feel even a little sorry for Mr. Chris? You are so soft, honey. That's why you are a cleaner. And I am my way to becoming the CEO. CEO? You have big ambitions. Oh, trust me, I have a big surprise prepared for that Max too. And soon, I will be sitting in his chair. Wow. You are really clever.
I wouldn't be so sure about that. This Max isn't going anywhere. Unlike you.
Oh my God, boss was hearing everything. He was on phone. Who did that? Oh no, listen boss, I can explain.
No need to. You heard the boss. So, pack your things and get out of my office. And you would better pray I don't find any gum under my desk.